Alright guys, so what I just heard in my room is I heard the train horns, so we'll stick around here for a minute at my house and let's see if we hear it. It'll be coming over from that area. Well, we might not hear it. If I don't hear it in the next minute, I'm gonna go back inside. But anyway, what I saw on the webcam at Steel Highway Rail Cams, which you should definitely go follow. There you go. Turn your volume up. That's either Great Lakes Central headed home with a grand train in hand or something. But yeah, I'm gonna end it here at 2 minutes, maybe. If I don't hear another horn in like another minute, I'll give it one more minute. Trees. North Star. Very faint now. Guys, here in about an hour, go check Steel Highway Rail Cams, and they will have, and the train should be coming into Owasso. Alrighty guys, thank you for watching my video, and maybe if you turn up your volume, hold on. There goes the train through North Star. Probably won't be able to hear it much longer through there. Alright guys, see you later.